Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to blur photos on an iPhone. Firstly, the portrait mode is a basic and widely available feature on newer iPhones, including the iPhone SE. Open your camera app and you will find the portrait mode alongside other options. When using this mode, follow the on-screen instructions, position your subject, and capture the photo. The background will naturally blur. You can experiment with different styles and adjust the blur intensity later in the Photos app. After taking a photo in portrait mode, open it in the Photos app and click on Edit. Here, you can fine-tune the blur effect by adjusting the aperture slider and customizing the level of background blur. The second method involves using third-party apps from the App Store, specifically designed for blurring photos. Many apps offer features to selectively blur parts of the image, including the background or foreground. These apps provide flexibility for various editing needs. While some may require payment or subscriptions, there are free options available for basic blurring. If you enjoy this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.